Hey everybody, we're here with Joel, my friend, and we are going to, he has a testimony. Joel has a testimony for us today. He's going to be talking about how Yahweh delivered his eyes and gave him clear sight. It's pretty exciting. Now, when we spoke earlier, you said that you had prayed to Yahweh and asked him you wanted clear sight.
Yeah, I've been declaring and decreeing that my eyes are going to be healed for about 3 years.
Okay.
Every day,
All right.
and accepting it and saying thank you. And
okay.
It kind of stayed the same. And Charity and Eric came to work one day. She laid her hands on me and prayed for me, and it was great. And gave me this thing. And I haven't taken it off since. And I didn't even think about it. A couple weeks later, I was going to work and everything was kind of blurry through the glasses. And I looked over the top of them and everything kind of was unblurry. It looked a lot better. So I took them off. And I've been wearing glasses since I was 18 years old. That's 49 years. To drive, I've driven with glasses on for 49 years. And this was in June 10th. And I haven't put them on since. And I didn't even put the 2 and 2 together with Charity until I told her about it. And she said, I prayed for you, remember? And I said, whoa, you did.
Yeah.
And yeah, I don't have little bumps on my nose anymore from the glasses on all the time. I don't have to worry about where to put them when I'm eating and stuff. It's great. I haven't worn them in 2.5 months now, almost 3 months. It's great. I appreciate it.
Praise Yahweh. That's a fabulous story. So let me just to break it down for the audience so we can get the 1, 2, 3s. So the first thing you did is you asked for deliverance. And we don't use healing because healing is a word that's derived from holy, hell, halil, whole, the W whole, and whole, the HOLE, and well and hell. All those words mean awful thing. They're derived from a bad state, and they're misinformation to me to try to get us to ask for healing when it's actually deliverance we're asking for. So
okay,
you got the words wrong, but you did the right thing. You asked Yahweh. That was the first thing you did. The second thing you did was, it says in the Bible to let the elders lay hands on you, and that's what we did. We were, by all means, I guess we're the elders. But anyway, we laid hands on you and asked. And when I speak of elders, I'm talking about elders in education level. So not everybody has done the research. So the elder has to do with more of your knowledge basis. And so that's why I said elders, let the elders lay hands on you and you will be delivered, is the real word, or cured is the one in the Strongs. So anyway, and then you did the third thing you did correctly, which is Exodus 14, and 14, which is shut up and watch and see the deliverance of our Yahweh. For the Egyptians you see today, you shall never see again. So it's simply not saying anything against the deliverance. Like if we look at when Jacob was taking the Israelites around Jericho, they went around 7 days. The first day they did it one time, and 6 days they went around Jericho one time, and then the 7th day they went around 7 times, and then they blew the shofars, and the walls came crumbling down. Now the key, what's not really talked about in this sentence, is they were told, don't say a thing, because if you speak against it, you're giving the demons and fallen angels around you permission to afflict you. So you did the exact right thing. You asked Yahweh, prayed, then you decreed and declared, and then the third thing you did is you didn't say anything against it. And that's what most people miss, is they start speaking against it and then they get nothing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because a double-minded man gets nothing. If you're saying in one hand you want deliverance and the next hand you're saying, oh, this isn't going to work, you're not going to get it.
Right.
You have to have enough belief or faith to not speak against it.
Right.
And expect it to happen.
Right.
Well, that's great. I'm glad you were delivered from that eye demon.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
I feel younger and everything, man, because I don't have to mess with glasses anymore.
That's awesome.
I keep in my car just in case. I don't know if I should do that or not.
Well, we've done the same thing. As I was grinding my teeth, and Charity was wearing glasses, and we threw those things away.
Really good.
Yeah, because a lot of the words people use today and what they tell us on the news are not true. They tell us those things because we are sons of Yahweh, and when Yehoshua went to heaven, he said, "Now you have all authority on heaven and earth in you, because I'm in you."
Right.
So we have the dominion over the earthly realm, the orderly formation, which is what it says in the Old Testament for the earth. And then he says you also have authority over heaven through him. So we have the authority. That's why we can do things, is because it's Yehoshua working through us.
Wow.
And he does it with our words. Our words, what's the one scripture where it says the power and life and death is in your mouth. So we gotta be very careful that we use our mouth only to speak good things, because what we don't realize is there is angels, fallen angels, and demons all around us. And when we use our words, they're ready to enact our authority. Now, if you're speaking good, you're going to get the light angels to act. If you're speaking bad, you're going to get the demons and other angels. You're basically giving them permission to afflict you.
Exactly.
Well, that's great news. I'm glad you're delivered, and thank you. And thank you, Yahweh, for the deliverance. Thank you for the power that you gave to us, the authority on this earth to take care of.
Oh, heck
Yes,
yeah.
yeah. It's
wonderful.
wonderful.